Envera Systems is a security solutions provider that specializes in the unique needs of communities. We partner with homeowner and condominium associations, community development districts, property managers, and developers to design a system to meet each community's needs and budget. Through the use of cutting-edge technology, Envera has become a leader in securing community gates and amenities. The virtual gate guard greets and verifies visitors at neighborhood entrances, while our active video surveillance keeps pools, parks, and clubhouses clear of trespassers after hours. Other video surveillance services and access control provide additional layers of security for community assets. What makes Envera different from other companies? We are an all-inclusive security provider, handling the complete cycle of services. Once you hire Envera, a dedicated team will assist you in implementing the systems. Plus, we have our own installers to make sure that every installation is professionally completed. Envera's service team will make sure your system is operating properly by performing annual standard maintenance and emergency repairs as needed. Our state-of-the-art central station oversees it all, operating 24 hours a day, 365 days a year with licensed guards and a dedicated customer care team. We can control every step of the journey to make sure that we are providing the best in-class service at all times. It's the Envera Difference. For more information, visit our website at www.enverasystems.com.